Kelly, don't do that.
Watch out, Mommy. Watch out, the mountains. Whoa.
You okay?
Whoa.
Oh, okay. I'm coming. I'll get you. Give me your hand. Watch out. Give me your hand. Come this way. Yeah, that's better. You ready to go in the house?
No.
Okay, go build you some snowballs.
Let's put the...
Go put the...
No.
Snow? Don't go over there. You just fell. Pick up the snow.
That's snowball.
Don't bring it over here to me. This is something else.
We can't make a snowman.
Don't go out there. It's slippery.
Wow. Cheese.
Cheese. Ta-da.
Ta-da.
Say Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Say this is my first white Christmas.
This is my first white Christmas.
And many more to come.
Many more to come.
That's right.
That's right.
Let's see. It's cold outside. Don't go in the street. Don't go in the street. It's cold.
Go in the snow.
Huh? You want to go back in the house?
No.
Okay.
Mommy, Mommy.
All y'all who left and went out of town, this is what y'all missed. Oh my. No, go in the street. Did you hear me then? You're going to fall. You're going to fall. Don't go. You're hard-headed. Get back up here. This is beautiful. To God be the glory. This is beautiful. All right, Kelly, don't go in the street, baby. It's kind of iced out here right now. All right.